Welcome to the instructional video to add new or modify a report for the Candidate Committee module. To create a new report, activate the Reports tab. Select the new item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and select New from the submenu. If unsure about the coverage date, select the Get Report Coverage Dates Here link for further details. Enter the date from, enter the date through, and enter the election date if it applies. Next, select the report type from the drop-down menu. Select the candidate's name from the drop-down list. Select the office sought. The election cycle date will autofill. Please verify that the cycle is correct for your office. Add the district number if it applies. Add a dissolution date only if the committee wishes to dissolve with this report. If the committee does not want to dissolve at this time, please leave the field blank. Select OK to save and exit the report information window. Modifications can be made by selecting the Modify Item icon from the toolbar, or by right-clicking and selecting Modify from the submenu. Make the changes and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue, or No to cancel. To make changes to a closed report, right-click on the report and select Amend. A second report with an A next to it will appear. Refer to the MERTS video library for additional assistance amending transactions. For additional assistance, visit MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.